Hello everyone. So by now you should have had a chance to look through the procedure, and if you are still confused, then this video is here to give you a little tutorial of how to use the simulation. So as the procedure suggests, the very first thing you're going to do is hit the setup and reset button. That's going to give you your image of the bacteria cells. Next, you're going to want to make sure that the initial number of purple, initial number of green, these green boxes up here are all set to 1. Now, once you make sure that all of that is set up, you're going to want to uncheck the reproduce box, because when you hit the go pause button is the only time you can move these bacterial cells into the locations. And so if you were to click the reproduce button to be on, then you would be running the reproduction, and we just don't want that just yet. Now, something to keep in mind is when you hit the go pause button, the time is going to start running. So you are going to want to move these bacterial cells rather quickly. So once you hit the go pause, then you can move the bacterial cells to their locations, which is what you see here. And then you can go ahead and press the reproduce button. Now you are going to let this run until it says to stop, in which case you'll hit the go pause button again. And at that point, the numbers that are in the yellow boxes, those are the numbers that you're going to be recording in your data table. And then you'll go ahead and find out the percentage of each color. So that way you know exactly what data point you should be looking for that you should be recording. Okay, if you have any questions, please raise your hand and I'll come by. If not, you can always re-watch this if you would like to get second guidance.